staring out the window.
Today we are celebrating Dana's 20th birthday. Tapos
waiting just to wake up from this nightmare where you could be right back in my arms, dancing to the limbo, stuck here in the middle. You tell me.
hello everyone! Today, meron kaming wedding na kailangan i-attend. And look at my outfit and makeup. Do you like it? Ayan, ako nag-makeup and hair, tas nails. So, look at that! Okay guys, I have to leave. Ayan, kasama si your daddy. Bye! Go na! Come on!
For you lang, okay na.
Hey guys! Meet my other cousin. Today we are celebrating Dana's 20th birthday. Tapos ayan, I have a cake for her. But, ay wait lang, hala. Nahulog yun sa, sa loob. Oh, hindi. Buti pala mayroong plastic. Okay, that's good. Anyway. Yan, today's her 20th birthday. I have a cake for her. But you know what, guys? Late siya. Kala niya ata surprise party to. Pero hindi. Pero kanali ka. Let's go! Nandito na yung party daw niya sa loob. Pasok na lang tayo. Huwag na tayo mag-knock. Dana! Dana! Happy birthday! Thank you! Let's go!
Okay guys, kantahan niyo. Tapos videoan niyo yun rin ako.
Guys, so I'm currently getting ready because we have a birthday dinner to attend. And, oh, by the way, sa vlog na to, parang I included a clip of Dana's birthday. I wasn't able to explain it that much kasi konti lang yung clips na nakuha ko sa birthday niya. But anyway, that was her birthday party. And ngayon, pupunta na naman tayo ulit sa birthday party. So, I'll just finish off my look and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm done getting ready. So, just a plain red top. I forgot na kung saan ko to nakuha. But this one's super old. Tapos, jeans from Uniqlo. And then, shoes. Sa shoes, I'm not sure if I'm gonna go with this. Or probably just go with sneakers na puti. And then, my favorite bag. Okay, let's go! Kala mo nasa ano tayo airplane. Diba? Sa airplane, you have to do this O kala nyo aalis na naman tayo. Hindi! Naghatid lang kami sa airport. Mga next month na tayo aalis, ha? Next month ko na kayo ulit isasama sa mga travel. Pero for now, practice lang sa airport. Sit.
grab my soul, let my heart turn stone. Guess I gotta say it twice, it ain't my fault. Every little thing got a price, that's what I thought.
Wow, ang ganda ng cookies. Parang super thick siya. Later, we can do yung parang crack sa cookie to see if marami bang chocolate sa loob. Today, I baked 2 desserts, 1 chocolate chip cookies and the other is brownies, mainly to experiment the household's blood sugar level. But tonight, we will only be eating the chocolate chip cookies since the brownies will be better if a day old na siya. So, kailangan ko pa siya ilagay sa ref and tomorrow na natin siya isa-slice. Ayan o, look. So shiny yung top, kaya ang ganda. And yung cookies, magkapal siya. Ayan. Look, look, look. Ayaw mag-focus. Sorry. But yeah, try na natin ngayon. I-crack muna natin yung chocolate chip cookies. Wow! Ayan o, si Daddy. Gusto daw niya i-show sa inyo kung paano ba nga niya i-check yung blood sugar level. So yan, isa-scan lang niya. Ngayon is, ano yan? 141? Hala, hindi ba yan masyadong mataas? Oh, wait. Ooh. Hindi siya ganun ka-gooey today, but kasi sinadya ko na, ayan, basta iyan. Come on, kain na tayo.
Not gooey. It's hilaw inside.
Yeah, it's really hilaw inside.
Ay, mamaya magpaktod siya kami ka.
Hindi, luto na yan. So good, guys. I think na-share ko na ito dati sa, sa iba kong video. Pero hindi ko siya na yung recipe. Eto, mag-crack tayo ulit ng bago. Wala na akong taga-video, guys. Hindi ko na mabi-video yung crack. So, dito na lang. Kakatapos na pala namin mag-dinner. So, ayan. Ito ang dessert. But, hindi nyo nakita. But, it's full of chocolate. There. Try naman natin to. This one's a different dough eh. Tingnan natin if masarap rin ba. Mas masarap yung una. Pero masarap rin to. Mami! Try mo yung isa pa na cookie.
Bakit iba?
Iba.
Ang laki nito kinain ko.
So, you try this one. This one tastes a bit different. Oh, baka asama na tingin mo sa camera. Nakakaloka. This one tastes different. Kailangan mo muna ma-swallow yan.